बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम असिस्टेंट क्लास का दूसरा लेक्चर करने जा रहे हैं। आज हम जनरल नॉलेज के MCQs के अंदर अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट को देखेंगे। पहला है अफ्रीका द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन साइज एंड पॉपुलेशन। नेक्स्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूनाइटेड नेशन estimated the population of Africa is 1347597,144. Next है Africa population is equivalent 16.72% of the world population. Next है the population density in Africa is 45 per kilometer square. Next है the total land area is approximately 11721,000 square miles or 30365,000 square kilometer. Next है according UN there are 54 countries in Africa. Next है there are 16 landlocked countries are in Africa. Next है the largest country of Africa by population is Nigeria. The smallest country of Africa by population and area is Seychelles. Next है the largest city of Africa by population is Lagos, Nigeria. Next है smallest city of Africa by population is Tisak, Egypt के अंदर है ये. Next है the largest island of Africa, Madagascar, Indian Ocean. Next है the longest river of Africa is Nile. The highest mountain of Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. ये तंजानिया के अंदर. नेक्स्ट है the largest lake of Africa is Lake Victoria. ये भी तंजानिया के अंदर है. नेक्स्ट है the largest desert of Africa is Sahara. नेक्स्ट है the largest canyon of South Africa is Fish River Canyon. The lowest point on land is Africa is Lake Essel. Next है Tugela Fall is the second highest waterfall in the world in Africa. Next है of the 7 continents of the world, Africa is the second largest. The continent's terrain was inhabitable and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning it the name of Dark Continent. Next है the world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are in Africa. The world's hottest place, Ethiopia, is in Africa. Next है the equator passes through the middle of the dark continent and it receives direct sunlight throughout the year. Next है as per research evidence, Africa is the place where Homo sapiens originate and then migrate to all the other continents of the world. Next है more than 50% of the world gold and 95% of the world diamond come from the mineral rich continent of Africa. Next है the world also get 66% of its chocolate from the dark continent. Next है the major animals in Africa include cheetah, African elephant, lion, zebra, Egyptian mongoose, giraffe, index. आज के लिए ये 28 सवाल काफ़ी है. कल हम नॉर्थ अमेरिका को देखेंगे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.